everyone, here's another video of the HD Dump Truck. I'm Sam from Samurai Mini, and I'm going to just show you some of the features on the exterior. So as I mentioned in the previous video, this is a basically new dump truck. You can see that here, the wheels are brand new, not even got any brake dust on them, even the brake calipers are shiny. So it's got new tyres on, got the splash guards underneath there. This has been well thought out, well designed and purpose built as a dump truck. Got the cover on the back there, this cover, that's so that when you dump the body and sand or whatever is sliding out, it doesn't go underneath the car, gets stuck on the spare wheel. It's all slips down to where you want it. Purpose built mud guards, cover for the battery. You can see the chassis here, as I mentioned a few times now, it's brand new. Headlights are nice and clear. Really is a very well made little truck.